The driving and dining experience is about to get a whole lot better thanks to SoundHound's voice assistant with integrated generative AI, SoundHound Chat AI Automotive. It's been rolled out to vehicles from 3 major global automotive brands across North America. This integration brings state-of-the-art conversational AI capabilities to a wide range of popular models, fundamentally enhancing the in-car experience for drivers and passengers. The AI-driven technology allows for dynamic and versatile conversational experiences, enabling drivers to ask detailed questions, seamlessly interact with external knowledge sources and in-vehicle controls, and receive contextually relevant responses without interruption. The launch of SoundHound Chat AI Automotive underscores a growing demand for advanced in-vehicle voice assistants. Earlier this year, SoundHound unveiled its in-car voice commerce agent, innovative technology that integrates commerce, loyalty, and navigation directly into a car's infotainment system. This creates a fully hands-free, frictionless experience that enables drivers to seamlessly connect with brands for voice-controlled purchasing on the go. Beyond automotive, SoundHound has also partnered with Acrelec, a leader in quick-service restaurant (QSR) technology, to bring advanced, voice-enabled drive-through systems to restaurants worldwide. The partnership aims to deliver impactful AI solutions at scale, enabling restaurants to modernize the drive-through and deliver seamless, future-ready experiences. The integrated solution will allow customers to place orders using an automated voice assistant that can process requests and send them directly to the point-of-sale system. This development could strengthen SoundHound's narrative of pursuing growth via diversification into new segments like voice commerce, which is expected to provide fresh revenue streams and elevate profitability. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.